What is good, y'all? My name is John Alexander. Want to welcome everybody back to the channel, and for all of y'all that are new, do yourselves a favor, hit that subscribe button. You're tuned into the #1 Yeezy channel, so stay tuned for today's video. We got a brand new unboxing. It's coming right up next, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's Saturday. It's a release date. They just dropped the Cloud White Yeezys. A lot of people struck out on those. 350s are real popular, so everybody was trying to get their hands on these. They sold out on all the websites, so we'll see resale going up. The last release though that they dropped were the Powerphases, which are still available on the website, so y'all hit up Yeezy Supply, and that's what we're unboxing for y'all today. So I went ahead and grabbed these off Yeezy Supply on release day, which was the 18th. So these Powerphases retailed at I think $100 or $120. Yeah, they were $120. And so they dropped on Wednesday. Got the shipping confirmation like 2 hours after, and they were here by Friday. So real dope from Yeezy Supply to go ahead and send these over to us real quick. So real happy about this pickup. Now I do have the old Powerphases, so we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison for y'all. I did pick up every colorway in these. So the Powerphases, they got the quiet gray, which we're gonna see right here. They dropped the clear brown, and they dropped the simple brown. So I'm most interested in probably getting the clear brown pair, but we're gonna have to wait as these ones came first. So we're gonna see a few videos with these. We're gonna compare them all, because I think a lot of people are curious about these, since they're like a Yeezy release that you could just go ahead and pick up on Yeezy Supply, and not to mention that they're a really affordable, just everyday sneaker. So this pair, which is the quiet gray, is gonna be the lightest color. And seeing them in person is crazy, because online the pictures, they look really like almost white, while in hand this sneaker is really gray. So these are really nice. So y'all see the box. Got these in my size 10.5. Got the Yeezy Powerphase in this colorway. They're calling it quiet gray. So thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Alright, so how many of y'all are feeling these new Yeezy Calabasas Powerphase joints? So they did drop these in 3 different colorways. Right now y'all are looking at the quiet gray joints. So thoughts and opinions in the comments below. What I really want to know is which one of the Powerphases is your favorite colorway. Was it the quiet gray? Was it the simple brown? Or was it the clear brown? In my opinion, I mean, I haven't seen them in hand, but from the photos, I'm definitely going with the clear brown joints. But these shocked me, as in photos, I swore I thought these were going to be a lighter color, but they turned out to actually be like a gray. So it's an all gray shoe. Difference versus the OG Powerphases that Yeezy dropped a little while ago. Those were all like a leather material. And as we all know, these are a suede material. So it features a green Adidas logo right on the front with the red symbol. Really dope. So in hand, these are actually really fire. So must cop for any Yeezy fans out there. And for all casual people, this is just a good, affordable, good quality sneaker. So I definitely highly recommend these. Let me know what y'all think. But in other Yeezy news, we are going to be getting the other colorways to show y'all and compare. I am picking up the Powerphase joints. I'm sorry, the Hospital Blues. So if y'all want to see, this is the OG. Then you got the quiet gray here. Alright, so this is a good look between the two different models. So as y'all can see the difference between the leather version and your new updated suede version. Which one are y'all feeling more? The OGs or these new suede joints? I'm definitely feeling these new suede joints, but we'll see how they hold up over time. But I'm glad that they brought the Powerphases back. They're real dope, simple sneaker. So real casual look, not too flashy. I'm a big fan of this sneaker right here. So everybody's anticipating the Hospital Blue joints, so we're gonna get an early look at those coming up this week, y'all. So stay tuned for that video. I am also dropping a how to style on the Yeezy Salt Desert boots, so that's gonna be coming up next for y'all, as well as the rest of these Powerphase colors. And if this video does well, if y'all can get this video up to let's go ahead and say, if y'all can get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'm gonna go ahead and give away a pair of Powerphases. So I need everybody to do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, follow me on IG as well. We're gonna pretty much wrap it up. This was just a real quick little video, but y'all stay tuned for the upcoming videos that we got. So again, we're dropping the Powerphases, we're dropping the Hospital Blue video, and we're doing the how to style coming up real soon. And not to mention, have y'all seen the pictures of the Stone 500s? I might be one of the only people, but I'm feeling the new tongue. I like the neoprene on those joints. So I'm really looking forward to getting a pair of those early for the personal collection and a showcase on the channel for y'all. So I want to thank everybody that tuned in for today's video. My name is John Alexander. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I'm out.